Hi everyone, welcome back to Academia Learning. Today we will be discussing some more MCQs of Sub Inspector in the paper that was held on 31st January 2021. I already made a video in which I discussed some of the MCQs of this paper, but some more MCQs will be discussed in this video. Okay. Without any further delay, let's begin. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि क्वेश्चंस के साथ हमारे पास 4 ऑप्शंस दिए जाते हैं, उनमें से कोई एक करेक्ट आंसर होता है। तो अब जो मैं करूँगी वो ये है कि क्वेश्चन लिखूँगी और उनका करेक्ट आंसर लिख दूँगी। 4 चॉइसेस लिखना फिर एक बहुत लेंथी प्रोसेस हो जाता है, तो बेसिकली मैं बस इसमें करेक्ट आंसर बताती जाऊँगी साथ साथ जो क्वेश्चन है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ मुगल एम्पायर औरंगजेब आलमगीर रूल्ड द सब कॉन्टिनेंट फ्रॉम। The correct answer is 31st July 1658 to 3rd March 1707. We have next question. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid died in. The correct answer is 642 AD. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid Raziyallahu anha. Next question is who constructed the mosque Zarar? The correct answer is Hippocrates. Next question is which caliph of Islam ruled the longest? The correct answer is Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu anha. Next question is what is Fateh Mubin meant for? The correct answer is Hudaybiyah Pact. Up to the next question, what is the real meaning of revealed books? The correct answer is guidance to humankind. Next question is what is the second name of Mosque Quba? The right answer is Mosque Taqwa. We have next question. When Hazrat Mutlib Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha died? The answer to this question is 950 AD. Heading to the next question. What is the name of clan of mother of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? The right answer is Banu Zahra. Next question is what are privileges vested to any accused after his arrest? The answer is all of these. Heading to the next question, how many types of special courts are provided under Control of Narcotic Substance Act 1997? The right answer is 2. Mainly 2 special courts are provided. Next question is when procedural code is applicable for prosecution of narcotics related offences? The right answer is Control of Narcotic Substance Act. Heading to the next question, how many quantity of narcotics is required to be recovered from accused from attracting session 9B? The right answer is more than 100 grams but less than or equal to 1000 grams. Next question is who can grant physical remand of accused to law enforcement agency? The right answer is magistrate and session judge. Next question is where is ANF headquarters situated? The right answer is Rawalpindi, Islamabad. Next question is when Control of Narcotic Substances Act 1997 was promulgated? Promulgated basically mean नाफिज किया गया. The right answer to this question is 11th July 1997. Next question is when narcotics recovered from an accused is more than 10 kgs, then what would be minimum punishment a judge can award to accused? The answer to this question is life imprisonment. Up to the next question, in case of any doubt, benefit of doubt would go to. The answer is accused. Next question is ANF works under. The answer is Pakistan Army. Next question is which law provides the rules for determining the requisite criteria of evidence produced before court? The answer to this question is Code of Criminal Procedure. Up to the next question, Regional Directorate of Punjab is located in which city? The answer is Lahore. Next question is how many regional directorates ANF has? The answer is 5. Next question is where is Anti-Narcotics Force Academy? The answer is Islamabad. Next question is anti-narcotics force was raised in which year? The answer is 1995. Up to the next question, what is the rank of force commander of a regional directorate? The answer is Major General. Next question is, who is the current Minister of Anti-Narcotics Force? The answer to this question is Brigadier Ijaz Shah. Next is PPC stands for. The right answer is Pakistan Passcode. Next question is MOU stands for. The right answer is Memorandum of Understanding. Now some of the MCQs will be related to English grammar. The question is, what is the punctuation mark used before a list of names or an enumeration of particulars? The answer to this question is comma. A homonym is a word that is said or spelled as same spelling, same pronunciation but different meaning. This is the right answer. Next question is, the deepest ocean is. The right answer is Pacific Ocean. Next question is, the United Kingdom consists of England and. The right answer is Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Heading to the next question, the longest river of Pakistan is Indus River. Next question is, the area of Karakoram range is 77,154 square kilometer. Next question is, Al-Biruni came to India with. The right answer is Mahmud Ghaznavi. Next question is, the first man to climb Mount Everest twice. The right answer to this question is Navang Gombu. Heading to the next question, Golden Triangle is the area where the borders of following countries meet. The right answer is Thailand, Laos and Myanmar. Next question is, the largest island of the world is. The answer to this question is Greenland. Next question is, Golan Heights belong to which country? The right answer is Syria. Up to the next question, the capital of Eritrea is. The answer to this question is Asmara. Next question is, the largest producers of pig iron is. Basically which countries? The answer to this question is France, US, Indonesia, Russian Federation. Next question is, name the elected president of USA. The right answer to this question is Joe Biden. Heading to the next question, current finance minister of Pakistan is. The right answer to this question is Dr. Hafiz Sheikh. Heading to the next question, name of the current chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee of Pakistan. The right answer is General Nadeem Raza. Next question is, name of Afghanistan Intelligence Agency is. The answer to this question is NDS, National Directorate of Security. Heading to the next question, World Water Day is celebrated every year on 22nd March. Next question is, Operation Zarb-e-Azab was started in which year? The answer is 2014. Heading to the next question, the book Reconstruction of Religious Thoughts is written by who? The right answer is Sir Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Heading to the next question, choose the word that is near most similar in meaning to the capitalized word tirade. The answer to this question is angry speech. Tirade basically उर्दू में इसको कहते हैं धुआंधार. Next question is, choose the word that is near most similar in meaning to the capitalized word. Philanthropist. The answer to this question is welfare oriented person. Next question is, choose the word that is near most opposite in meaning to the capitalized word transient. The right answer to this question is permanent. Next question is, choose the word that is near most similar in meaning to the capitalized word virtue. The answer to this question is none of the above. Virtue basically means fazilat. Next question is, select the correct meaning of the idioms from the given alternative. To fight, tooth and nail. The answer to this question is fight heroically till the end. Heading to the next question, select the correct meaning of idioms from the given alternative. Burn midnight oil. The answer to this question is work very hard. Heading to the next question, to choose the appropriate word out of the choice given below. Anthropology. The answer to this question is study of humanity. एंथ्रोपोलॉजी को उर्दू में कहते हैं बशरियत. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चूज द अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड आउट ऑफ द चॉइसेस गिवन बिलो. एथिस्ट इज द वर्ड एंड द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज इनफाइडल. फाइंड आउट द करेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड. द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी इज गिवन बिलो. Heading to the next question, choose the correct sentence. The correct sentence is nobody ever asks for my opinion. Next sentence is choose the correct sentence. The right answer to this sentence is she made the baby to take a nap. Next question is choose the correct sentence. The correct sentence is we will wait if you want to go. Then again sentence correction, choose the correct sentence. The answer to this question is his watch needed to be repaired. Next question is choose the correct sentence. The answer to this question is there is no reason to worry. Again there is sentence correction. The answer to this correction is had you not helped me I would have never gone to Lahore. Next question is choose the correct indirect speech of the following sentences. He says my name is Abdullah. The right answer to this question is he says that his name is Abdullah. Next question is find out appropriate preposition to fill the blank. The debate was dash the following week. The answer to this question is adjured to. He is an obedient boy. Obedient in the sentence is adjective. Next question is administration of the Kaaba was handed over to who after the death of Hazrat Abdul Muttalib Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Answer to this question is Hazrat Abu Talib Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Which are offences where permission of court is necessary to arrest the accused? The answer to this question is cognizable. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want more of these videos. I'll be sharing more of the questions of the paper that was held on 2nd Feb as well. Okay, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys.